discuss model number 4. Listen carefully, sir. Model number 4. If the factors are written in ascending order, if the factors are written in ascending order, listen carefully. If the factors are written in ascending order, there is a very beautiful conclusion that can be drawn. Suppose, for example, 12 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Are the factors written in ascending order? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now if you observe, first factor from the left, first factor from left into first factor from right, first factor from right, it is equivalent to the number. Am I right? 1 into 2, 12. It is 12. Second factor from the left into second factor from the right, it is equivalent to the number itself. Third factor from the left into third factor from the right, it is equivalent to the number itself. Very, very important point. Nth factor from left into nth factor from the right, it is equivalent to the number itself. It is equivalent to the number itself. It is equivalent to the number itself. Very, very important key point, sir. Very, very important key point. We'll take a simple example. First factor from the left into first factor from the right, it is equivalent to the number itself. Second factor from the left into second factor from the right, it is equivalent to the number itself. Suppose n equivalent to 100. 100 is 2 square into 5 square. 2 square into 5 square. Find the eighth factor. Find the eighth factor. Find the eighth factor. There is a number 100. 100 in prime basis can be written as 2 square into 5 square. Find the eighth factor. Factors are written in ascending order. How many factors are there for this number? Total factors will be 3 into 3. It is 9. Total factors for these number are 9. Total factors for these number are 9. Eighth factor we require. Factors are written in ascending order. Ninth factor will be the first factor from the right. Eighth factor will be the second factor from the right. So what is the concept? Second factor from left into right. Second factor from left into right. Second factor from left into right, it is the number itself. Second factor from left into right, it is the number itself. What is the first factor for 100? 1. What will be the second factor? 2. So 2 into second factor, 2 into x is 100. X is nothing but 50. Very simple example. Very simple example. You do not need to do anything. Now I'll take some sample exam model questions. Second factor from the left into second factor from the right, it is equivalent to the number itself. NO is a number, sir. NO is the number itself. So in case if the number is large, you can do it very, very easily. Very, very easily. This condition is valid if the factors are written in ascending order. If the factors are written in ascending order. Second factor from the left into second factor from the right. Second factor from the right. Now see here. If the question is, let me take 3 questions which came in your examinations. First question. First one. Now see here, sir. 3 questions. One by one we'll write. Question is n equivalent to 800. Factors are written in ascending order. Factors are written in ascending order. Factors are written in ascending order. What do we require? Which factor occupy 13th position? Which factor occupy 13th position? Very, very good question, sir. Which factor occupy 13th position? If n equivalent to 800, for this number, if the factors are written in ascending order, which factor occupy 13th position? Second one. N equivalent to 6 square into 5 square into 14 square. This is the number. Factors are written in ascending order. Factors are written in ascending order. If factors are written in ascending order, exam model question, sir. Ascending order. Which factor occupy 68th position? Which factor occupy 68th position? 68th position. Let us solve these 2 questions based on the logic that we discussed. What is the logic that we discussed? Nth factor from the left into nth factor from the right. It is equivalent to the number itself. Nth factor from the left into nth factor from the right. Now, first one. Let me call it as question number 1 and question number 2. Solution. Question number 1. N is 800. 800 can be written as 8 into 100. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 100 is 2 square into 5 square, which can be written as 2 power 5 into 5 square. 2 power 5 into 5 square. How many factors are there for this number? Factors for this number are 6 into 3. Total 18 factors are there. Total 18 factors are there. Which factor occupy 13th position? This is the 18th position, 17th position, 16th position, 15th position, 14th position, and 13th position, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means it is the 6th position from the right. Which factor occupy 13th position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the 6th position from the right. That means what is the concept? 6th position from left. 6th position from left into 6th position from right. It is equivalent to 800. I hope the idea it is clear. 6th position from left into 6th position from right. It is the number itself. Now, first position, first number, it is 1. 1 is a factor. 2 is a factor. If just go till the 6th factor, you got the answer. 3 is not a factor. 4 is a factor. 5 is a factor. 6 is not a factor. 7 is not a factor. 8 is a factor. 9 is not a factor. 10th it is the factor. If the factors are written in ascending order, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So 800 by 10. 13th factor from the 13th position is given by 8. 13th position from left, it is nothing but 6th position from the right. 6th position from the right. If the factors are written in ascending order, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10. 6th position from the left will be 10. I hope question number 1, it is clear. Question number 2. Same logic, sir. Idea is to just to give that idea how to solve this question. N equivalent to 6. All should be prime numbers. 2 square into 3 square. Next 5 square. 14 is 2 square into 7 square. So this is given by 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square into 7 square. This is the number. 2 square into 3 square into 5 square into 2 square into 7 square. Total how many I got? 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 into 3 into 3. Now see here. Factors which factor occupy 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 5s are 135. 135. Good question it is, sir. Question number 2. N has got 135 factors. 135 is an odd number. 135 is an odd number. If a number of factors are odd, then one value will be root n. 134, 67 here, 67 here. Are you all with me? These are less than root n, it is equivalent to root n, and it is greater than root n. And it is greater than root n. In the first session we discussed, if the number of factors are odd, then the number is a perfect square. Total I got 135 factors for this number. 67 factors will be less than root n. 67 factors will be greater than root n. One factor will be equivalent to root n. Root n, that means root of 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square into 7 square. 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 67s are 420. Which factor occupies 68th position? Answer is 420. Second is a beautiful question, sir, which uses the concept of every perfect square has odd number of factors. Odd number of factors. One factor will be root n, remaining 134 equally divided. 67 left side, 67 right side. So the factor which occupies 68th position will be root n, root of 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square into 7. 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. Two questions, two. Second uses the perfect square logic. First uses the concept nth factor from left into nth factor from right. It is equivalent to the number itself. It is equivalent to the number itself. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, model number 5. Model number 5. Model number 5. Please write down, sir. Model number 5. Model number 5, factors advanced level. Question is, the sum of n consecutive natural numbers. The sum of n consecutive natural numbers. Very, very good question, sir. It is 7 power 7. Find n maximum value. Find n maximum value. Please read the question again. It is sum of n consecutive natural numbers, not starting from 1. If it is starting from 1, I would have taken the answer as n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of n consecutive natural number, it is 7 power 7. Find the maximum value for n. Find the maximum value for n. It is not starting from n. Listen carefully, sir. Solution. Let the numbers be. Let the numbers be a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, and so on up to a plus n. A plus n. We do not know from where the numbers are starting from. It can start from 1 if a is 0. It can start from 2 if a is 1. It can start from 10 if a is 9. Because we do not know the lower limit, let us call the lower limit as a. So let the numbers be a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, and so on up to a plus n. Sum of n consecutive numbers, it is 7 power 7. The series is in consecutive, means the series is in arithmetic progression. In what is sum of n terms? N by 2 into first term plus last term. A plus 1 plus a plus n equivalent to 7 power 7. So n into A plus A is 2A. 2A plus n plus 1 equivalent to 2 into 7 power 7. N into 2A plus n plus 1 equivalent to 2 into 7 power 7. I hope again I am explaining why the numbers are from A plus 1 to A plus n, because the question is not specifying that it will start with 1. So I do not know the lower limit, so I call them as A. A plus 1, A plus 2 and so on up to n. N into 2A plus n plus 1 equivalent to 2 into 7 power 7. Now what is n here? N is a natural number. Definitely by looking at a question, I can say that 2A plus n plus 1 is greater than n. 2A plus 1. To n, even if I am adding n plus 1, the value will be greater. 2A plus n plus 1, it is greater than n. Now case number 1. Two cases we will do. Case 1. How many numbers are there? I don't know. So n value odd. Case number 2. N value even. N value even. Let us see. N into 2A plus n plus 1 equivalent to 2 into 7 power 7. If n is odd, if this is an odd number, odd plus 1, it is an even number. 2A, it is an even number. Even plus even, it is even. If n is odd, 2A plus n plus 1 will be even. So if I write it like this, n into, listen carefully, sir. Once this question is a little complex, but once you understand, there is an important derivative out of this question. If n is odd, what are the odd values I can give? From 2 power 7 power 7, if this is 1, it is 2 into 7 power 7. 1 into 2 into 7 power 7. Question is natural numbers. I am taking only n value 1. It is not possible. N should be an odd number. If it is 2, 7 power 6, multiplication will become 2 into 7 power 7. If it is 7 square, it will become 2 into 7 power 5. If it is 7 cube, this will become 2 into 7 power 4. Are you all with me? 2A plus n plus 1 should be greater than n. Second value should be greater than first value. 340, it is, if you see here, 7 power, wherever it is less, we will cancel it. 2 into 7 cube. 343 into 2, 686. Is 686 greater than? No. All the cases, further cases are eliminated. I hope the idea it is clear. That means if n is odd, this will be even. Please make a note of it. N is odd. Second case, n into 2A plus n plus 1. It is 2 into 7 power 7. N is even. Even plus 1 odd. Odd plus even. It is odd. Again it is even into odd. There also we got odd into even. Equivalent to 2 into 7 power 7. Even number. If it is 2, 7 power 7. If it is 2 into 7, 7 power 6. 2 into 7 square, 7 power 5. 2 into 7 cube, 7 power 4. 7 power 4. Now 2 into 7 power 4, it is 7 cube. Now see here. These 2A plus n plus 1 should be greater than this number. 2A plus n plus 1 should be greater than this number. I hope it is clear. Till here, any doubt is there, you may ask. Please see it once again. Let the numbers be a plus 1 into a plus n. Sn equivalent to 7 power 7. N by 2. What is the concept that I used for sum of n terms? N by 2 into first term plus last term. N by 2 into a plus 1 plus a plus n. N into 2a plus n plus 1 is 2 into 7 power 7. N is odd. This will be even. 1, 2 into 7 power 7. 7, 2 into, this should take all the odd numbers. This should take all the odd numbers. This is an even number. 2 into 7 power 7, 2 into 7 power 7, 7 power 6, 2 into 7 square. From here, why it is eliminated? 2a plus n plus 1 should be greater than n. 7 cube, is it greater than 2 into 7 power 4? No. Total, how many cases we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I right? Again, I am repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If this is an odd number, this is an even number. Am I right? Odd into even or even into odd. What is the question? Maximum value of n. In this one, what is the maximum value? This one. In this one, what is the maximum value? This one. 2 into 7 cube. 2 into 7 cube is the maximum value. 2 into 7 cube is the maximum value. For me, this is not important, sir. Please see here. If one is odd, another is even. If one is even, another is odd. One is odd, another is even. One is even, another is odd. Just put a star mark, sir. It's exact model question. Exact model question. Sum of n consecutive natural numbers is 7 power 7. Find the maximum value for n. 2 into 7 cube I got. For me, underline these. Odd into even, even into odd. Now see here. Listen carefully. Suppose if 72 is there. 72. 72 is a natural number. 72 is a natural number. Listen carefully, sir. This number can be written as product of two natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers. If it is a natural number, there are 4 cases that will come. There are 4 cases that will come. A and B both are odd. A and B both are odd. If one is even, another is odd. If one is odd, another is even. One is even, the next one it is even. These are the 4 cases. Yes or no? 72 is a natural number. A into B, it is 72. 72 is an even number. First case. 72, it is an even number. I will take the next case. 105, it is an odd number. 105, it is an odd number. A into B is 105. A and B are natural numbers. Again 4 cases I will get. There are only 2 cases. Right hand side can be an even number or right hand side can be an odd number. Listen carefully, sir. This is A and B are even. This is A and B both are odd. Both are odd. This is A is odd, B is even. This is A is even, B is odd. A is even, B is odd. These are the 4 cases. Right hand side can be an even number or the right hand side can be an odd number. Now see here. Listen carefully. 105, it is an odd number. Even into any number, it is even. 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 105, it is an odd number. How many ways? 1 into 105, 3 into 35, 5 into 21, 7 into 15. 7 into 15. Are you all with me? Reverse case. 15 into 7, 21 into 5, 35 into 3, 105 into 1. 105. 105 is 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. Totally how many odd factors are there? 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cases. Are you all with me? So if A and B both are odd, it is equivalent to odd factors. It is equivalent to odd factors. Are you all with me? A into B equivalent to 105. 105 is an odd number. When the right hand side is an odd number, there are 4 cases which are possible, out of which few cases I will eliminate. Even into odd, even into any number, even eliminated 0. Odd into even 0. Even into even 0. Odd into odd. Odd into odd, how much it will be? Odd factors. Please make a note in your notebook. A into B equivalent to K. K is an odd number. K is an odd number. In how many ways you can write this number as a product of 2 odd numbers? It is nothing but odd factors for K. Odd factors for K. Please write down this. Odd factors for K. Very, very important key point. Odd factors for K. A into B equivalent to K. Anyway, the number of factors will be equivalent to total number of odd factors. Now see here. A into B is 72. 72, it is even. Odd into odd, it will be an odd number. This is 0. Next one. Even into even, odd into even into odd. 72 can be written as, 72 can be written as, let me use a different, okay, let me, (72) can be written as 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 3 into 24, 6 into 12, 8 into 9, and reverse. Now see here, even into even this case, even into even this case. These are all the cases where 1 is odd, another is even. 1 is odd, 72 is even. 3 is odd, 24 is even. 8 is odd, 9 is even. It is nothing but 72 equivalent to 2 power 3 into 3 square. How many cases we got? 1, 2, 3. 3 cases we got, which are nothing but total number of odd factors. Please write down. Total number of. Now we are just one step away from a conclusion. If the right hand side it is an even number, if the right hand side it is an even number, in how many ways can you write a number as even into odd, or 1 is odd, 1 is even? It is equivalent to total number of odd factors. Total number of odd factors. For me, this is important. For me, this is important. Now, here also I got total number of odd factors. Where I got here also total number of odd factors. Go back to the question. What it is? Odd into even. Odd into even. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of odd into even? Total number of odd factors. How many odd factors are there for this number? 7 power 7. 0 to 7. Totally 8 cases I will get. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In that one, n equivalent to 1 is eliminated because it is n consecutive natural numbers. N consecutive natural numbers. Odd into even. Writing a number as a product of odd into even. It is equivalent to total number of odd factors. But in that one, n equivalent to 1 is eliminated. N equivalent to 1 is eliminated. First, write down this important key point.